Good morning, dear hearts. Today's lesson is 18. I am not alone at experiencing the effects of my seeing. Now, yesterday's lesson, we learned that, first of all, the thought always comes before we actually see something, even though we often believe it's reversed, that I see it and then I think about it. But the thought comes first. Now, this is really a continuation of that lesson, and tomorrow's will be as well. I am not alone in experiencing the effects of my seeing because, and this is the first time that we're given this information, all of our minds are joined, okay? That's why it has always said, I don't have any neutral thoughts, I don't have any idle thoughts, and later we'll learn, I don't have any private thoughts, because if my mind is joined with everyone else's mind, then this is why we have a collective consciousness. We are all thinking alike. We've had the experience of we say something and someone we know who we've known for a while can finish our sentence for us because they know us so well and they think as we think. We are thinking along the same lines. If I'm thinking along the same lines, I'm going to be seeing the same things. There's a very old adage that says, birds of a feather flock together because they're thinking alike. And probably one of the best examples of this common collective consciousness of how we see together is if you're in nature, go outside, or even when you're driving and you'll see a huge flock of birds and all of a sudden they turn, but they turn together. And it's amazing to see. I think it's called a mummification. It is the most amazing thing that this consciousness, this joined thought process goes, and everyone goes in the same direction. I am not alone at experiencing the effects of my seeing. I'm not alone at experiencing the effects of my thinking. That will be tomorrow's lesson. But just realize that whatever I'm seeing, others are seeing it as well in the same way because our minds are joined, okay? Thank you again for all the subscriptions. There's been a few new ones. I love it. I don't know if people who have thousands of followers get as excited as I do, but I do, so thank you. And have a great Saturday. It's Saturday if you're in the now, right now, it's Saturday here in South Florida and everywhere else, except in China, which is whatever. Anyway, have a great day, and I will be late posting tomorrow because I will be away, but I will be back. Namaste.